In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot and Zoho. First, you need to head over to the Marketplace tab. Click on this Marketplace icon in order to see this. Click on this search and proceed to search for Zoho. You can see right here Zoho CRM, mail, books, and invoice, as well as analytics and a lot more. Just choose right here which one you want to install. I'll install right here the Zoho CRM, and from in there, you can see right here this. It requires Zoho subscription, so do take note of that as well. Don't worry because this is a HubSpot certified application. Click on this install option, then click on connect to Zoho CRM. This will open right here this new window. And onto this window, this will load our Zoho account wherein you can sign in if you don't want or if you don't have one yet. So just input right here your credentials, and once you do, it will connect you directly into your HubSpot and Zoho altogether. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.